Guys, welcome to my channel. So first come to this URL www.gigabyte.com. Okay, click to search. Then guys, type your model number of your motherboard, then hit enter. Click on product. So you can see this is there are two versions, 1.1 and 1.0. Okay, so if you are any motherboard, so install driver installations process same. Click on this here of name A620IAX. Okay, then go to this URL. Then click to support. So guys, select your operating system. So I am using Windows 11, and if you are using Windows 10, so no worry about it, you just follow this video of Windows 11, you can install the Windows 10 driver. Okay, then VLAN means Wi-Fi driver. So you can see Realtek 5552 Wi-Fi driver and click to download. Okay, and it is completed. Just double click to open Wi-Fi driver. Then yes, and done, and close it.